Here's some ways to make your veggies, including your herbs, last longer. Wrap celery stalks in aluminum foil, then place in your crisper drawer.
Sweetie?
Place washed and dried cucumbers on a dry paper towel, slide them into a resealable bag, then place them at the front of your fridge shelf. The best way to store red peppers is washed and dried in a resealable bag, then store in your crisper drawer.
Yep.
Place rosemary sprigs side by side one another on a damp paper towel. Roll it up, slide it into a resealable bag, place it in the crisper drawer. Store parsley wrapped in a damp paper towel, place in a resealable bag, then place it in your crisper drawer. Do the same exact thing with your cilantro. Store basil on your countertop at room temperature like a bouquet of flowers. Swap out the water every 2 days. Quick note on plastic bags. I realize this is not the most environmentally friendly option. I'm phasing them out for these silicone reusable bags by Stashers. They're currently being used by my cheese. So do the best you can with what you've got.